Hi everybody, I'm Michal Zawitsky. My sister Ridal and I would like your help to open a multilingual school right here in South Africa. We want to create an environment where young learners are not only exposed to the basics before going to school, but also for languages. Our two basic languages are Zulu and Afrikaans. Our two business languages are English and Chinese. With your help, we can cover the down payment of the property. We also have lots of rewards in store. We have digital calendars and a midweek away to Bosparadise. For our most serious backers, we also offer a shortlist placement in our school once the doors open. Not reaching our goal will be sad. 7 jobs will be lost, and 40 kids won't be able to go on this amazing journey with us as well. Don't let this happen. I thank you for your time and your donations.